Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. I put up a video when?
Every weekend and Monday.
And what my channel is about?
Living a full circle healthy life.
Great, living a full circle healthy life. And today guys, I'm going to show you how to wash your fruits and vegetables, all natural products. And in the store they have these cleaners that you can wash your fruits. And it costs like $4 and $5. And guys, I'm going to show you today exactly how to do it, all natural, and it will get rid of the pesticides, and it's easy to do. And some of you probably already have it in your cupboards or in your cabinets. So I would like for you to
subscribe, comment, and like.
Exactly, subscribe, comment, and like. Leave your comments down below. And guys, coming straight up, right up. We're going to go ahead with the video and get rid of these pesticides that are most of all our food today. Coming right up. Stay tuned. Okay, welcome back. I got my helpers here to help me out today. I appreciate you guys helping me out. Probably my little taste testers today as well. So guys, I just want to let you know, vinegar is called all natural distilled vinegar. And you know, if you can see the vegetables, the vegetables on here, it pretty much tells you that you can, clean your vegetables with this, okay? And a lot of times we don't pay attention to that and stuff, but it's pretty much telling you right here that it's okay to do that, And also, you guys may say it may mean something else, but it's good for removing the pesticides, the chemicals, and sometimes that the glyphosate, probably get on other organic plants and stuff, by the wind. And so it's always good to wash all your fruits and vegetables also. So yes, you can use this with fruits and vegetables, but today we are going to do these berries that I have here. And because I like to put them in the freezer and use them, for my yogurt or for my oatmeal or for just pretty much, making smoothies, okay? So, and another thing too, like you can also wash your cantaloupes and your watermelons with baking soda. It's an all natural cleaner, baking soda, guys. And also, this right here is Dawn dish soap. You can also wash that too, like melons and watermelons with Dawn dish soap, just a little bit. And it's okay because they use it on animals when there's like an oil spills and stuff like that. But my main recommendation is using baking soda and this all natural distilled white vinegar, guys. So to do it, what you need is 1 cup of vinegar, and you fill your sink up right here with water, and just put it in like that. And so these are strawberries. You can probably see these strawberries. And I'm just going to put them in. And you just put them in and you rinse them. And it gets all the pesticide, all of the chemicals off of the berries. Okay? So that's pretty much really how you do it. And you can use all of the vegetables. And what I'm going to do, I'm just going to pretty much dump a few of them in and just wash them around. And they say you can also just keep them in here for about like 5 minutes or so. And like 5 minutes or so, and then put them on a paper towel and let them dry. And I have used this also, just freezing them in the freezer and make smoothies and everything. And it takes all the pesticides out, all the chemicals out, guys. So, and what I'm going to do is take them and I'm going to drain them and put them in here like that. Just let them all drain. And then you rinse them. Sometimes you really don't have to rinse them, but sometimes I rinse them, and then sometimes I just put them in and freeze them just the way it is. And I'm going to let my little taste testers try it and see if they really just taste in vinegar in them. So, you don't have to use those chemicals, vegetable wash, fruit wash that's in the store. You should go ahead and do all natural. Like I said, my channel is about living a full circle healthy life, and I do a lot of, you know, eating organic stuff. This one, let's do this here. There we go. Rinse it. And the reason why I use this water here is it's like faucet water. I don't use it, so I missed and used it. This is like softener water, more pure water that we drink. And I just dipped it back in and just got all the chemicals off. Okay, so this is how you do it, guys. Chemical free, pesticide free, and I'm gonna let my little tasters try it and see what you guys think. Do you taste any vinegar?
No.
Oh, they're sweet too. They're very sweet.
They are.
So also, you have this, the blueberries. You can do the same thing. 1 cup of vinegar. 1 cup of vinegar, and fill your sink up with water. And also, to clean your cantaloupe and your watermelon, if you want to, just like you do the dish soap, the Dawn dish soap, you can just put it in your hands. Take this melon over here to the sink. Put it in your, put it on your hands like this here. That's what I do a lot. A little bit of baking soda in your hand like that. And you go like this, all over it. All over it. And a lot of times too, you know guys, when you don't wash your melons and stuff, it goes right into the fruit. It goes right into the fruits when you cut it. And so I have a little brush here, and you just brush it. Just brush it with baking soda. Just brush it. And it takes all the chemicals off, all the pesticides. And they say, you know, water does it. No, that's not true. Water doesn't do it alone, I don't think. And you know, why not use these natural things that you know that will get rid of the chemicals. And then I'm going to do this water softener, because this is pure clean water here, the water kind of water that I drink. And just go ahead. And there you go. Whoa. Anyway, it's heavy. There you go. And it's ready to cut. And so anyway, I hope you guys like this video. I hope you try it. You guys want to try the berries?
Yeah.
You want to try berries? It's called blackberries. We got some raspberries. Can you try one? Oh, you guys like them. Great. You want to try one of these raspberries? What do you think about them, guys?
Great.
We're going to have them in yogurt. We're going to have it in yogurt, smoothies for the summer, and oatmeal. So anyway, I appreciate you guys for coming back this week. And you know, when you do buy fruits and vegetables, and even, you know, salads, you can also just wash it too. And this vinegar, and get rid of all the pesticides or the herbicides that's in the food nowadays. And that way, you'll be sure that you won't be eating any type of chemicals that causes cancer and other types of illnesses. Okay? So anyway, I appreciate that. I hope you guys come back. And guys, you ready to do a victory dance? Come do a victory dance. Hey, I thought you were going to come and dance with me. Come do a victory dance. Yay! You guys did good. I like that. You guys helped me out today. Appreciate it. And guess what? I'll see you guys next week. Peace out. Say peace out.
Peace out.
Peace out. Peace. Hi, this is the vinegar taster test, guys. She told me she never tasted vinegar before. So right now, I'm going to let her taste vinegar and see what she does and does she like it. So this is the vinegar taster test challenge. Look at the... Look at the... What do you think about it?